Hey guys, and welcome to another Rainbow Playmaker slime video. I am so happy that you're here joining me today. I have a really exciting video today for you where I expose 3 of my most popular slime recipes ever. These are the top selling slimes in my slime shop at RainbowPlayMaker.com. The most exciting thing about today's video is that it is sponsored by Snowonder, which is one of the main ingredients that I use in all of these slimes. My most popular question that I get from YouTube, from Instagram, is where do I buy my snow? Where do I get that stuff that expands that I put into the slime? What is that stuff? So this is the perfect video for you if you want to find out where I get my snow, why I love it so much, and why you will love it too. The 3 slimes that I'll be making here with you today are jelly slimes, cloud slime, and cloud cream. But before we get started, I just wanted to show you the different sizes that Snowonder offers so you can kind of see what you would need if you wanted to make these slimes. Snowonder really does a fantastic job of offering so many different sizes, so depending how much snow you think you'll need for the amount of slime you want to make, they have options for you. You can get super mini packs that are like little party favors, would be perfect for a slime party, to huge bulk packs for maybe the established slime shop owner. All of the information for Snowonder is down in my description, their website, their new Instagram account, as well as a link to go purchase snow. So if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section and I would be happy to answer them. If you love Snowonder as much as I do, hit that like button, be subscribed to my channel, and comment #Snowonder, and I will be picking one of you to win free Snowonder snow. Okay, we are starting with the jelly slime. I just added half a cup of clear glue to my bowl. I'm adding glitter and dye, but these are not necessary ingredients. I just wanted to fancy the slime up a bit. So you want to mix all of that together, and once it's mixed, you are slowly going to start activating. Now, if you watch my other slime videos, you know that I normally put foam soap in all of my slimes, but I wanted to keep this super basic for you guys. So if you want to add a pump of foam soap to this, you can, but I'm just not doing it for this video. My activator is 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water, and you just want to slowly add a little bit at a time until your slime comes together and is no longer sticky. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of dry Snowonder snow. So I am not expanding this first. That is dry snow straight out of the package. And what you want to do is just mix that in until it all incorporates, and it will plump up, as you will see here. What I like to do with my freshly made jelly slimes are let them sit for a day or 2 to clear up, because this will clear up. It's a clear based slime and it will bring on that jelly texture. At the end of the video, I will be showing you what this slime looks like after a day, so stay tuned for that. Slime I will be showing you how to make is cloud cream. So I'm starting with half a cup of white glue. I added food dye and glitter again, but those are unnecessary, and 1 pump of lotion. So you just want to mix that all up and then you will activate. Again, I'm using the same mixture of 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. Once your slime is fully activated, you want to add 1 teaspoon of dry powdered snow, and you want to slowly mix that in. So this cloud cream is basically the same as my original jelly slime recipe, only for this you're using white glue, for the jelly slime you're using clear glue. So you just mix that up and eventually the snow will plump, as you can see here, and it will bring on that wonderful cloud creamy texture. The last slime I will be showing you how to make is my purple color changing cloud slime. This is the most popular selling slime in my shop. Today I am exposing the recipe for you. You want to start with half a cup of white glue, half a cup of water, 1 pump of lotion. In order for the slime to change color, you want to use a violet or a purple gel food dye. For some reason, when this slime sits for about 24 hours, the color in the dye separates into a blue and a purple. One thing I noticed is if I add too much gel food dye, this doesn't happen. So you want to keep the color of your slime on the lighter purple side. Once all mixed up, you can start to activate. Again, I'm using 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water, and you want to just keep adding a little bit at a time, mixing after each addition until your slime comes together. Once your slime is formed, you want to add a tablespoon of the dried powdered Snowonder to your slime and mix that all up. You can add an additional teaspoon at this time, but I always like to add it towards the end just so I can feel out the texture and see if I really do need that extra teaspoon. But in total, for this cloud slime recipe, I use 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. Now these are the slimes after they've had the opportunity to sit for 24 hours. And as you can see, this jelly slime is not as clear as I would like it to be. I think it really needs to sit for at least 2 days to clear up if you're making it using a fresh batch of slime. But it's still lovely. I love the texture, and these are some of my favorite slimes to play with ever. Interesting fact about Snowonder. Did you know that the snow actually originated in Japanese snowboard parks in Japan? I mean, how cool is that? So this is the Cloud Cream, and this is just another lovely texture. Let me know in the comment section which one of these you like best. Is it the jelly slime, the Cloud Cream, or the purple color changing cloud slime? And now we have the purple cloud slime. Here you can notice the slight difference in color. It's a little purple towards the center and more bluish on the outside. It is a slight color change, but it is there, and it's super, super pretty. And like I said, this is my most popular selling slime from my slime shop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the links down below, which will take you through to see Snowonder, the most highly rated expanding fake snow product on Amazon. See you next time. Bye!